It's time to be creative in 3D and virtual reality, VR. It's time for Unity. Here's challenge number 2, swinging the sword and the swing sword sound effect. Let's see what the challenge looks like. You can see I can swing my sword. Try to complete this challenge by using the skills you learned in the Whack-A-Mole 3D game.